Thank you to Ford Heritage for allowing me to drive it. It's made my day. I'm actually getting emotional talking about it actually. Yeah, been pretty epic. Hi guys, Alex, Peak Performance Reviews. I'm here basically with Ford UK and I'm in a heritage car. I'm in the Capri 280. Yeah, awesome. I'm not going to take too long because I really need to get out in it. But yeah, watch on and I'll do a little kind of quirky little review for you in that old school car. Haven't driven something so old for quite some time. So yeah, looking forward to it. Watch on and I'll see what I can get you. Hi from Ford UK, sorry, it's Andy Benson. He's going to tell me a bit more about this awesome Capri 280. So yeah, what version of this is it exactly?
This is the 2.8 V6 from Cologne block. It's the last 280 off the production line. It's looked after lovely as one of the many heritage cars at the Heritage Centre.
Wicked.
And you're about to have a very nice little drive.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Yeah, like I just said to Andy, I haven't been in such an old school car, and funny enough, I come from a kind of family who are into their fast forwards, and we have got an old Sierra. My missus' father has got or did have a Capri, so we have driven stuff like this, and it's been a little while, so we're used to that old kind of H pattern 5-speed. I'm sure it'll be fine. This is a Minter, so yeah, really looking forward to it. No, thanks to Ford UK for allowing me to drive. But yeah, we're gonna get you some little footage of it anyway. Watch on. Little look at this interior. Look at this. 32,000 miles this car's done. That's bloody excellent. I absolutely love this car. Put my luggage around as well. Doing a proper job. Beast. Nice. Sounds quite nice as well, actually. Quality. Love it. So we're going to have a bit of wind noise, but I do apologise. But obviously at the same time, I'm not going to go that fast in a car like this because it's old school and there's nothing wrong with going fast in a car like this. We're going to push on and have a bit of fun with it. But yeah, this is proper old school, proper old H pattern. But actually it feels really good. Considering its age, this is a Minter. Obviously Ford UK Heritage really look after cars like this, and it just I'll show you some of the interior now as I'm talking. It's just beautiful period, kind of old. I say period, it's just old quality, fun, no thrills, fast forward, and this epitomises everything about a fast forward, the old Capri. Rear wheel drive, fun, crazy, Larry. People stealing them to do bank jobs in them. It's just a proper old school car, and I love stuff like this. Obviously anyone who knows and follows the channel will know that I own an old Mini. I also own an old Sierra, which I haven't got out on the road at the moment, but I love old school cars, and I love old school fast forwards and things like that. So yeah, it's brilliant fun, and yeah, it's nice to be able to get out in things like this. So we're out on a city course at the moment. It's basically simulating a normal kind of road. And this is just, I love this because I'm going out in obviously modern cars and things like that. I'm just going to wind this up so you can hear me a bit better. But obviously we don't get that much of a chance to kind of go out in things like, you know, old school cars like this, and nothing, you know, says old school better than an old fast forward, and it's just brilliant. But we've got a great little course here. I'll show you around. I'll go around it again. And I'll tell you what, actually, I remember these getting a lot of jib at the time. But yeah, obviously it's got just the turning circles so much more. I can't do the kind of I have to go give it the whole full lock. I can't kind of give it an old racer's position and kind of go lock to lock like that, because it just doesn't happen. You have to really kind of wind it in, like if you see some of them old school TV programs like Minder and anything that kind of has something similar to this, it's just brilliant. But you have to think about things a little bit more than your new gen kind of cars. I love it, the oil and the fuel gauge is fluctuating a little bit, it's going up and down, but the temperature and everything else is staying as it should, and how you'd hope it would. So but it just is brilliant. It's very, very well kept car, and this is it just demands so much, but I love it. I absolutely love it. And as we're out, we've got an old Datsun there as well, out with us. But no, it's brilliant. It's just absolutely superb. So the gear, let's have a look at the gear. Let's go gearbox first. So you can probably hear the engagement. Obviously, like I said to you before about how you get the gear wobble, obviously this is an old school gearbox in it. You've got a nice bit of gearbox shake and wobble, but the clutch engagement and the transmission engagement is absolutely superb, and there's nothing wrong with it. It all goes in as it should, and it feels like a fun, enjoyable car, and it's great. Handling dynamics, obviously lock to lock steering ratio and wrap ratio is a lot less kind of I don't know, track orientated to some modern machinery, but the handling is really still quite good actually. I quite like it. Quirky but decent, certainly. I love the feel of it. I'm not going to obviously go too fast, but she's beautiful. Proper old school fun. Like I say, lock to lock ratios, not like a kind of racing car, so you got to kind of yank it around. Obviously nice and heavy, but I like that, old school cars. New school cars have kind of got a lot lighter, apart from kind of racy cars or cars that are very, very sporty. But the feedback in this is nice and heavy, but you have to get your hands off the steering wheel and kind of wind it around a bit more to get enough steering on the car, enough steering angle to get the car around where it needs to go. But I love that. It's brilliant. It's just good fun. I'm not going to go over that speed bump over there. Wind the car around. But it's, look at me, it's making me smile, and that is what these cars are all about. It's about fun. I mean, let's be honest guys, soon and gone are the days that cars and classics may be on the road, and I've got a few classic cars myself, so it'll be a sad day when we won't be able to drive these anymore, and I'm hoping that day doesn't come, but you just never know. So while we can, let's savour these amazing classic cars that we've got and we all own and maintain and enjoy, because they're bloody brilliant. And this is where technology started. This is where it came from and to now, in the modern age. But it's brilliant. I mean, things have come on and cars are a lot quicker than they are now, but that being said, it doesn't mean that they weren't fun back in the day, because I tell you what, I'm still having masses of fun, and I think I'm daily proving that even low affordable cars can be fun. I mean, look at me driving my Ford KA, Enduro KA in a championship, where you've got a stock engine that's only 69 horsepower. Links in the bio and links up there, have a little look at that. That reminds me of this kind of car. Basic, no frills, does what it needs to do, gets you from A to B with a smile on your face. Obviously I can't get the arse end out on this, I'd love to, but what I do like about it is there's no traction control. You can just enjoy it, push on, maintain it for still fairly cheap, and just enjoy yourself. And these cars are what I still love about the automotive industry and about kind of car people, basically. I absolutely love cars like this. I love my modern cars that cover ground really fast and are rapid, but I still like my old school, and I love my old school Fords. And this little Capri has been an absolute gem, and I absolutely love it. And thank you to Ford Heritage for allowing me to drive it. It's made my day. I'm actually getting emotional talking about it, actually. Yeah, been pretty epic. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now.